Hey guys, welcome back to this second part of my review of the excellent Sofabaton U1 universal remote. So as you recall, I did a first video in which I did the unboxing for this amazing remote, and since I did that unboxing, I've actually been using this remote for the past few weeks, and I must say that I absolutely love this remote. This is everything that I actually asked for, and exactly what I was looking for. So today in this video, this is going to be a quick video on how to set up your devices, or your TV, your Android box, your Nvidia Shield, or whatever type of set-top box you might be using for playing your entertainment, for playing your media. So here we go. So what I've done, as you can see on the screen, from the screen here, I've reset it back to the factory default settings. So this is what the remote will actually look like once you take it out of the box. So what then you'll have to do is to install the Sofabaton app on your phone. So, and as I mentioned in my previous video, it does support both iOS and Android. So regardless of whatever type of smartphone you might have, it will definitely be supported by Sofabaton. So having said that, so I'm just going to put this down for 1 second, and I'll show you how to connect and configure the remote on your phone. So for this purpose, I'm actually using my old Samsung Galaxy S8. So I've already installed this Sofabaton app. So all you have to do in this case, as you know, this is an Android phone. So all you do is you go to the App Store and download and install the Sofabaton app. And once you've done that, you go into the Sofabaton app, and you have to select already purchased. So you have to select the first option, which says already purchased. So you hit that, and then as you can see from here, you have to press the two buttons indicated on the screen simultaneously. So that's what we're going to do. So let's do that just now. So the buttons that you have to press simultaneously, these two keys right here, the minus key and the E key. So as I press this, you'll see that it's going to go into pairing mode. So here we go, and there you go. So now it's gone into pairing, and we've got a notification on the phone. It says so the app has actually detected the remote. So let's connect. Let's hit connect, and once you do, it'll come up, and there we go. So now it's actually asking you to add your devices. Now, in my case, as you might already be able to see, I've got an Nvidia Shield and a Samsung 4K Smart TV. So there's actually two different ways that you can actually go about setting up your remotes. Now, this remote here, it also supports what's known as smart learning. So basically what smart learning is that you put the two remotes sort of in front of each other like this, and then you press the keys, you go onto the app, you press each key. So the app's actually going to instruct you to press a certain key on your original remote, and then you do the same on the Sofabaton, and that it'll learn that particular key from your original remote, that particular input from your original remote. But what I found is that actually, apart from being a bit tedious, it was not actually very accurate. So I am actually going to show you the best way on how you can actually configure your TV, or any other media devices that you might be looking to connect to your Sofabaton. So the best way to go about it is to go into the app. So once you go back into the app and hit the add button, as you can see up here. So once you hit add, you will see that some you can already see that there's the Nvidia DirecTV, Roku, Fire TV. They sort of already they're pre sort of it's got templates for all of those devices already in there. But what I found was that when I actually selected Nvidia Shield on here. I mean, when I went through this way, not all of the buttons were actually working. So in my opinion, the best way to go about it is to actually search for the device. So what I'm going to connect my Nvidia, so my Shield first. So I'm going to type Nvidia. So here we go. So here's the Nvidia Shield. We select that and then go search. And as you can see, it's already downloaded the config for the Nvidia Shield. What I am going to do is change the icon, which you don't specifically have to do. I mean, based on your preference. And the other thing I'm going to do is change the name, because because the thing is, otherwise it sort of you won't see the entire all the letters on the display for because the display is a bit small. So I'm just gonna remove. I'm just gonna call it, actually just gonna call it Shield. Hit done and continue. So now it's actually telling us to pair the remote, the Sofabaton remote, to the Nvidia Shield, and as a result of that, it's actually going to get disconnected from our phone. So yeah, I'll just do that and hit next. And now we're going to go to the Nvidia Shield. Into the remote and accessories, and as you can already see, Sofabaton is already connected. And if we look at the display, there you go. So the device has already been imported onto and configured on the Sofabaton remote. And now if I were to test it, just press the back key and you'll see that all of the functions are pretty much working without any issues. So there we go. That's definitely a result. Now, what obviously I need to do is to configure my TV. So for that, we need to put the remote back into pairing mode by pressing the two keys down here. So we'll go, that's pairing. We go back into our app. And we've already got the notification, so we go connect. It's already connected. So there you go, that's on Nvidia Shield. So this is also how you can manage your devices. Now, just be aware that with Bluetooth, it only supports, so you're only allowed to control one device via Bluetooth. So yeah, that's just something to be mindful of. And then with IR, I believe you can actually control multiple devices, so there shouldn't be any restrictions. When it comes to Bluetooth, you can only add or control one device, a single device, one device at a time. So now what I'm going to do is, now one excellent thing about the Sofabaton is that as per the packaging and the instructions on the website, the database, the IR database, actually includes more than 10,000 devices. So that's really cool, and it actually makes it a lot easier to just set up your device or your TV onto the Sofabaton remote. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So what you will need is the model number for your TV and to actually proceed. So make sure you've got, before you actually proceed with this, make sure you've got your the model number for your TV. So I've already noted down my the model number for my TV. So what I'm going to do is we'll just hit add. Go add. And then since it's a Samsung, I'll hit Samsung. Samsung and the model number of the device, so which is my TV is UA65 HU 7200. That's the model number of my TV, and then I'm gonna hit search, and there you go, it's already found the TV. So once again, I'm just gonna change the name because obviously this UXX looks a bit, so I'm just gonna call it Samsung TV and hit done, and then the icon's actually good, so I'll just leave that and then hit next, and then you'll see that it's actually uploading the IR code to my remote as we speak, and here you can see downloading on the actual display of the remote. So this is really cool, guys. I mean, as I mentioned in my last video during the unboxing, these are features that you normally find under remotes that are like twice or three times the price. And even though this again actually ended up costing me more than what I was hoping to spend, because you know it was actually out of stock on Amazon Australia, but still it's still a really good deal. And there you go. So the download is finished, and as you can see, you've got your Shield and your Samsung TV, and then you can also obviously you can use this roller up here, this, to choose between two devices. So all you have to do is just either choose between I can choose between the Shield and Samsung TV, and then once you've chosen your desired device, what you have to do is just hit OK. And now that I've hit OK, I'll be able to control my TV, and there you go. And as you can see, working like a charm. Here's the menu for the TV, and you know, running without any issues whatsoever. If you just want to make sure all the keys are working, all you have to do is just check your keys, just check your volume, obviously, and maybe your input. Yeah, one thing that you definitely want to check is the input button to make sure you can switch between all the devices. As you can see up there, no dramas there. So there you go, guys. This remote, I actually absolutely love this thing, and I've been looking for a solution like this for a very long time. And again, another feature you can see, so the Shield's got a Bluetooth icon next to it, obviously, which tells you that it's connected via Bluetooth, which is also really cool. The other thing what I've noticed is I think it also has some sort of motion sensor in it. So even if at times if the remote's would just be sitting on a sofa or something, and if I were to walk past it, I do notice that it sort of wakes up, and which leads me to believe that there you go. So it must have some sort of motion sensor in it. So it detects your movement and wakes up the remote. There you go. So guys, that concludes my review of the Sofabaton U1 universal remote. I can't recommend this device enough. I absolutely love this device, and I actually would really recommend anyone looking to control multiple devices and just looking to get rid of all your multiple remotes for if you've got your sound bars and your surround sound systems and your amps and stuff, and you're just looking for something to control all of that. This is the perfect solution for that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm just going to wrap it up right here. Once again, thanks for watching, and please, if you like the video, do consider subscribing to the channel. If you got any constructive feedback, please feel free to put it in the comment section, and if you've got any recommendations, or if there's any other videos that you like, any other specific content that you'd like me to create or put on the channel, please feel free to put it in the comment section. And also please stay tuned for another one of my video series in which I'm doing a rebuild of my home server / NAS, and that's actually going to be a really cool video, so please do stay tuned for that as well. And stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys.